Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain when Soviet Union declared war on Germany explained. Listen for clear steps and key turning points to follow. I will outline the diplomatic signals, military orders, and public announcements that marked the formal entry into the larger struggle. You will get concise explanations of who acted, how the declaration was communicated, and what immediate military responses followed. Stay with me for a calm, clear walkthrough that connects events into a coherent story. I will now walk through the key timeline and highlight the sequence of decisions that led to formal war status. Expect a steady narration of diplomatic notes, military orders, and public statements that framed the response. I'll emphasize the moments that shifted policy from defensive stance to declared conflict, and how leaders coordinated across political and military channels. This friendly guide will help you trace the timeline without overload, keeping each step clear and memorable. If you are enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to support more concise explainers. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used for quick rations and field snacks, a little nod to logistics in wartime life. Check the description for the product link and other deals that help with everyday organization. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I will explain the main causes and immediate effects tied to the declaration, helping you see cause and consequence. We'll discuss strategic triggers, leadership calculations, and how civilian and military systems shifted to wartime footing. I will also describe short-term outcomes like mobilization and industrial reorientation, and why those moves mattered for the broader conflict. This segment aims to be concise, while giving you a clear cause and effect picture that sticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.